Good morning, class. How was your day?
Good.
That was okay. All right. Today, we're going to be talking about the base 10 system. Okay? What's that? We're going to learn about that today, okay? All right. So in the base 10 system, we have 3 separate parts we can talk about. Technically 4, but today we're just going to focus on these 3 here. Does anyone have any idea what these are? Rennie?
Like blocks next to each other.
Yes, very good. They're blocks, but in these blocks, these are called units. So a single block like this is considered a unit.
But what are these called?
Very good. This is called a tenth. These are your tenths, and this would be 100. So there are 10 of these small blocks in this one row, but there are 100 blocks in this. Okay?
Wait, then there's going to be 100.
Yeah, 100 small blocks. Very good. All right. So these units can make up this 1/10 frame. So that means that we need 10 of
It's
these.
11.
So that means, yeah, I made 11, but to get there, I'm showing, yes, Rennie.
It's like 20.
It will be 20 once we put this other one together. You're very right. All right, so let's put this together.
I'm looking at myself.
Okay, let's not look at yourself. Let's look at this. Okay, so there's 20 all together, right? How much is this again?
100.
100, and if we have 20,
101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 100.
yep, remember there's 10 here. Remember? We have 10 in each row. So if we had 100 and we added 20 more, we have 120, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have 120. And if I add one there, we'd have 121, right?
Yeah. And if you add another one, it's 122.
Mm-hmm. All right, so today we're going to work on building numbers out of these, okay?
But why?
Because just what we're focusing on, we're going to focus on the base 10 system, okay? Yes, Rennie.
Like, what does 10 mean?
The 10 system?
Yeah.
So notice how there were 10 blocks in here?
Yeah.
If there's 10 in each row, we get 100. So we have 10 times 10 is 100. So it's an easier way of counting, so we don't have to individually count out.
What does times mean?
We'll talk about that in a later class, but right now we'll just talk about this. So all of these blocks, it would be easier to just say this is 100 instead of counting 100 individual blocks, right? Wouldn't it take us so long if we had to count 100 of these little blocks?
103.
Yeah, that's 103. Very good. But wouldn't it take us a very long time if we had to count 100 individual blocks? Yes. Thank you.
A lot.
A lot. Yeah, whereas now we can just say we have 100 right there. Don't press on that, remember?
100.
You don't want to break it. Okay, so now we're going to worry
120.
120, yes.
You just tricked me.
Okay, let's not worry about that right now. We're working on math, okay? So can you each try to make the number 21? So I'm going to write it down on here, okay? So on our paper, we'll have 21, okay? Now, we said we can get 20 very easily. How can we get 20? By taking 2 of these. Very good, Alexis. Now, can you put them under this too? Now, Rennie, if I only need the number 1, what could I put underneath here? If I only need 1 block. 1 block. All right, so how many blocks are here? Can you
10.
count? How many?
10.
Exactly, but I only need a single one. So how can we get a single block? What can I trade this in for? Good job. That's 21, right? Because we have 2 10s and then a 1. Right? All right. Now, how about we make another number? Let's try
26.
26? Okay. Put 26 on this side. All right. So how can we get a 20?
2 of these.
Very good. Put them under the 2. And how can we get a 6? Very good. You guys are great at this. Let's try a harder one.
28.
No, this one, we're going to try 155. Can you do that? Do you remember how to do that? I'm going to write 155 on here, okay? So if I'm talking about 100, which one of these blocks did we say was 100? Good job. Put that over here. Now, which one did I say? How did we get 50? Go ahead.
2 5s.
2 5s, that's 55, yep. But how can I get 50? If these are worth 10, how many of these would I need? 5.
10.
5. No, we only need 5 of these. So here we go, look. How much do we have here, Rennie? 100, right?
155.
Yeah, so what do we need to get 5 individual parts? Good job. You gonna put those over there, Rennie? Put them in a straight line next to those. Very good.
Ew.
Alright, so does everyone understand how we're building our numbers with these blocks?
Yes.
Alright, so in the rest of our class today, we're going to focus on building numbers, and then we're going to play a little activity, okay?
Yes.
Alright.
I'm doing Coco.